To the top of Redmelon is 7 kilometers, maybe, right?
What's that?
Top of Redmelon
Oh,
is like
probably.
7, which is about, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's
I guess this is just gonna circle right back around to where we were, huh?
yeah. Rotting trees.
Huh.
Rotveld. Veld would be from the African, the veld, and rot means it's rotten. It's decomposing. Rotveld. Rotveld. I can't do the R. They said I could do the German R. Veld. Veld. Something like that.
Well, you wanted to get to the tree line. Here we are.
Yes.
Barely in the tree line.
Hey, look, more Rotveld.
Yep.
Like we're in the Pacific Northwest. Right?
Yep.
And we know there's a cider house on the way down. So we're going to find that sucker.
Mm-hmm. I can look it up on Google.
Acorns. Acorn.
It says the cider set is a store.
Oh,
Oh, goody! It's temporarily closed.
oh, like everything else.
Closed for the season.
Guess we won't be having the cider. But we could stop at the hotel. Ballastrom Hotel.
I think we go all the way down into town and do a different place.
Oh, they're cute birds. Go all the way into town and what?
Go all the way down into town where there were some places from yesterday that we didn't go into by the leadership team.
Huh. So much water.